So, first of all, you heard about prototypes. Have you heard about the word prototype? Prototype is
No,
nothing but
not in this context. Okay.
prototype. Prototype is nothing but just like method declaration part. See, for example, if
Okay.
I write a method like this is prototype. Simply void say show like this. This is prototype.
Okay.
There is no body in that, just function declaration,
Mm.
method declaration. That's it. So
Okay.
an interface generally represents method prototypes. Generally, it represents method prototypes. We can call as method prototypes. Method. This is also a definition. So an interface consists of method prototypes. Like this. Method prototypes you can consider.
Okay.
Example, you can take so many examples like say void show, otherwise void display, like that. So many, but there
Yeah.
should be no coding in that. But even abstract
Okay.
is not allowed, unlike yesterday's application where we used abstract. The class should be
Mm.
abstract and the method should be also abstract. But
Okay.
but in interface, you need not use the keyword abstract. Even though they are abstract, you need not use the keyword abstract. That is the difference.
Okay.
Actually, all the methods of an interface are abstract only, but you need not
Okay.
use abstract keyword. All the methods,
Okay.
all the methods should be, all the methods in interface are abstract.
Okay.
Need not use, but need not use
Abstract.
abstract keyword. That's the only difference. Need not use abstract keyword. Abstract keyword. This is the only difference. Okay.
Okay.
So method prototype specification it is going to give. It is going to specify method prototypes. What methods are there? For example, if I take a car, yesterday I have gone with abstract class, but if I
Mm-hmm.
go with what I say, if I go with an interface for the same program, so what kind of specifications you are having in that program? So if I take an interface as a car, what kind of specifications you are having? Specifications in the sense like steering, braking, the
Mm-hmm.
features involved in that, but without definition,
Right.
without definition, just only going with specifications without definitions,
Definition. Okay.
without definitions, only specify, just specify whichever features are there in that. Don't elaborate them, don't implement them. Okay, that's how interface
Okay.
works. And all methods should be specifications only, just specifications, that's all. And it
Okay.
contains, otherwise we can also tell like it contains zero or more abstract methods. That is also correct. Zero or more abstract methods. Why I am using zero here again, because you may further explore and make a statement like why I am calling as zero, because all the methods are abstract. I am saying at the same time, what is that zero? Zero means no method, isn't it?
No. Yeah.
So in such a way, even without method also, we can go with an interface. Got it? We'll do some
Okay.
programs like that.
Yes.
We'll do some programs, at least one program we'll
Sure.
do. So an interface consists of zero or more abstract methods, but abstract keyword we never use in that. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. And then the same feature. Yesterday also I explained, no? We cannot create object to an interface. Yesterday also I explained
Yes.
that we cannot create an object to an interface, but we can create a reference to an interface.
Reference.
Yes. We cannot create no object. Object cannot be created. Object object cannot be created. But reference can be created. But reference can be created. Right. That's it. Next point. all the methods of the interface must be implemented in its implementation classes. Yesterday I told na, all the
Yes.
methods, all unimplemented methods are there now. All the methods of an interface should be implemented. Should be, nothing is left alone. All of them should be implemented.
Okay.
All the methods of an interface should be implemented in another class. In another class. Because in interface there is no implementation, there is no definition. So we have to use at another class where you can implement these things by using the keyword implements.
Okay.
All the methods of an interface should be implemented in another class by using the keyword
Implement.
keyword implements, plural, just like extends, implement.
Okay.
Somebody may ask a question, entry question like, what is the difference between extends and implements? What is the difference between extends and implements? Classes can be extended. Abstract
Right.
classes can be extended, but interfaces can be only implemented.
Implemented.
That is a
Okay.
important. And then, if any one method is not implemented, then the implementation class should be declared as abstract. If any method is there in that which is not implemented, then that implementation class should be declared as abstract.
Okay.
All methods should be implemented. If you are not allowing any one method unimplemented, then it should be declared, the class should be declared as again abstract.
Abstract. Okay.
And one interface can implement another interface also. Okay, that is also important point.
Okay.
One interface can implement another interface. Sorry, an interface cannot implement another interface. Sorry, just a minute.
Okay.
An interface cannot implement another interface. A class can extend another class, but interface cannot implement another interface. That is important. An interface cannot implement another interface. But
Okay.
if you want to implement, then you have to go with a class only. Interface is not the source, because see, an interface already consists of methods without implementation, isn't it? Then how can you
Yes.
implement by taking another interface which is also like that only? Nothing will happen, isn't it?
Yes.
So already interface means nothing is there in that, no code is there, all abstract methods without using abstract keyword. Then if another interface is there which is going to implement, what is the use? When another one is
Right.
also interface we are saying, then how can you implement that? It is not possible. So only class is the solution to implement that. Okay, but
Okay.
an interface can extend another interface. See the difference. An interface cannot implement another interface, but an interface, we will go with one program, then you can understand the meaning about this. An interface can extend another interface. This is important. Another interface. Extension is possible, just like classes are there now. One class is going to extend at another class. In a similar way, one interface can extend another interface. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
implementation is not possible. One interface cannot implement another interface. Implement means meaning itself is telling you have to write code for that. It is not possible.
Right.
Implementation is different. I will show you through program. An interface
Okay.
can extend another interface. Right. Now one important interview question again. What is the difference between abstract class and interface? A programmer uses abstract class when there are some common features shared by all the objects. Yesterday we have seen car example. Some common features are there or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Some common features means fill tank. Yesterday I have taken fill tank, isn't it?
Right.
It is a common feature present in Maruti or Santra or any other brand, isn't it? Filling tank
Yes.
is common for every car. So, so whenever a programmer needs an abstract class, uh, when there are some common features means like filling tank. Yesterday we have seen the example for car.
Mm.
As in that example, some common feature is there. So in such cases, whenever a programmer feels to use a common feature, whenever he observes a common feature among different objects, then he can go with an abstract class. But what about
Okay.
interface? Interface, on the other hand,
No.
different implementations for different objects, no common implementation.
Right.
Okay, not at all, not even a single
Okay.
common implementation is there. All are different totally. That is the different. In that way you can talk. As far as implementation is concerned, common, if any common implementation is there, then you can go with an abstract class. But if there is no basic commonality between any object, then obvious solution is going to be interface. Okay,
Interface. Okay.
means you just see, for example, I don't know how to write program for universities. Okay, yesterday I have, for example, just assume that I have given 3 university names to you. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I know only those 3 universities: Christ University and other 2 universities, JNU, as you
Okay.
said, and the other one. So I don't know what exactly is happening internally in those universities, and you know very well, you are having some awareness.
Right.
Okay, I am staying at a different place. Both of us are
Mm.
programmers, for instance. So you are also a programmer, I am also a programmer. So what all I can do is I can provide you an interface that
Right.
consists of no implementation, and you can implement according to uh, uh, your understanding. Okay,
Okay.
because you can implement now. Just I will supply
Yes.
those method names, and I will give that interface package to you, so that you can keep on coding for each and every what you call, every method in that, every
Mm.
unimplemented method in that. Got it?
Yes.
So that is possible using interfaces. So that is means that is what is called as a programmer uses an interface when he wants to leave implementation to third party vendors. Third party vendors.
Okay.
Word comes here as third party vendors. What is the third party? Third party vendors. Who is the first party and who is the second party?
First party
First
should
party
be
means,
us,
first
programmers.
party means, see, the company Java itself, which is going to provide
Okay. Okay.
the software for us, first party. And then the second party, in the sense, the programmers, second
Mm.
party.
Okay.
And those interfaces are designed by the second party, and the third party is given to some others. For example,
Okay.
if you can write code for that, I'm going to pay for something, pay something for that,
Mm.
something like that. Means obviously you are going to be third party. Sublease, the word sublease means
Right.
lease, sublease.
Yes.
I have taken lease from somebody. I have got a project, but I don't know how to design that, so I am subleasing that to third party.
Right.
So that is so whenever third party vendors you want to submit, so whenever a programmer uses an interface when he wants to leave implementation to third party vendors, that is a point.
Okay.
Now we will go with one application. First basic application I will do, then we will go with some other points. So some points in that associated programs I have to write. Interface. first program I will take which name should I give? I'll go with the addition, subtraction, something yesterday I thought na for abstract class. Same thing I will go here. I will name it as interface 1, otherwise interface 1. Okay, interface 1. That consists of main method. This is the main method 1. Separately, you can also write in the same program also you can write, but I am just doing separately. I will take two classes, class A and class B. Okay. And one interface I will take later on. Interface name, some name I will give, and then I will invoke those methods. Wait, interface naming this as 1. Better I do in the same thing, otherwise. Okay, I will do in the same application. I will do otherwise. Interface. I name that as interface is the keyword. In place of class, you have to write interface. Okay.
Okay.
Like that. Consists of abstract methods, na? Void addition and void subtraction. Subtraction done. Okay. Then actually you can separately write this program, but I am clubbing all the programs together.
Sure.
Yesterday we have done separately. Today also, why should I do separately? I will mix all in same program. You can separate otherwise.
Sure.
You can type this as a single program, small program. This one.
Okay.
Interface. This one consists of 4 lines of code. So, including braces. This one as one program you can save, but you can only compile that. You cannot run that because there is no main method in that, isn't it?
Right.
There is no main method. How can we run? That's it. Yesterday also same issue. 4 programs I have designed. First 3 programs you can compile, but you cannot run those programs. Even while preparing notes also I sent like that to you.
Yes.
See, I have considered CMD, command prompt. In command prompt, we use the Java C command for compiling programs. Java C space file name. File name is, for example, if it is interface.java. That's it. To compile.
Okay.
To execute, Java space file name. That is interface. But there is no main method in this interface, so we cannot execute that. So only if I write this as a program, the highlighted portion, I can compile, but I cannot run that program because it lacks in main method.
Right. Okay.
Yes. Next one, the follow-up class is class. I would like to take class A. See, some difference is there. See, capital letter I have written.
Right.
Small letter I cannot write, and if I take a small letter, I have to put something else here like A, B, because class is a reserved word, keyword, na?
Yeah.
I changed the completion of that. Implements, interface, interface. So actually this is the second program. This also you can separately write, but you can compile, but you cannot execute. Because second program also does not consist of main method. Only last program consists of main method. So let me go with a couple of variables in that. One is int x is equal to 7, comma y is equal to 8. Okay, fine. Couple of non-static variables I have taken, class variables, and then user, the keyword, no? Yeah, implements I user. Okay, fine. Now I will go with, and one more important point I forgot telling you. So whenever you are implementing in another class now, whenever you are implementing in some other class, I told now where I told here, like see here, all the methods of an interface should be implemented in another class by using the keyword implements, and while implementing And while implementing, we should mention as public, that is
Okay.
mandatory. If you don't write public, it won't work. Means, see what I am doing. So you are in the implementation part or not right now?
Yes.
So when you are implementing, blindly don't write like this. This is wrong. So before while,
Okay.
yes, you have to, that is a rule, you have to follow that.
Okay.
Because if you are designing interface, they are available to all other classes which they are I mean to say, it should be available. Whatever unimplemented methods are there, if you want to access them, then you have to use the keyword public. Without that, it cannot work.
Okay.
Void edition, okay, fine. System dot out dot sum equals, direct binary addition I can do now, x plus y,
Yeah.
like this I can do. Yeah, done. Over. And one more method is there, that is subtract. And
Subtraction.
yeah, subtraction is there, that also we will do. Let me copy this and paste. Little changes I will make. So whenever you are implementing, you have to make sure it is public.
Okay.
You should make sure it has public. Yes. Where has it gone? Oh my God. One, two, oh, class is, one more method is there. Yeah. Void subtraction. Subtraction. Difference equals x minus y. Same x and y, I am operating this. Okay, this is
Okay.
second program is also over, but you can only compile this, but you cannot run this because it lacks in main method. This is second program, from up to here, from there. This is second program. If you want to write separately, you can only compile that. You can save it and compile, but you cannot run that. Okay.
Okay.
Now comes the third program, that is class B. I can copy this code, little changes I can make. This class B. Next one is B. Same interface it is implementing, and the values are different. This time values are going to be different. One is 20, the other one is 10. Okay, same operation, same, but implementation is different or not?
Yes.
One time you are getting, means here you are applying on 20 and 10, whereas in the previous context we applied for 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yes.
Yes.
Now we will design main method. Just two classes I have designed, nothing else other than that. Now see what I am doing. So can I create object for class A and class B? Any problem?
No.
Yes. Class A is equal to new class A. Okay, fine. And class B is equal to new class B. Done. What is the next job? Can I create object for um, what is the interface name? Interface.
Interface.
Interface. Can I
No,
create?
only reference.
Only reference we can create, but not required. I am not doing that. You can do otherwise if you want, but I am not
Okay.
doing that directly. Otherwise, you can do what is there. Interface I. Okay. Interface is the interface name. Na? This is not
Yeah.
interface. See, this class. This is class again. Class keyword I used. Interface one, isn't it?
Yes.
This is only this is not interface. This is class only.
Right.
The other one is interface. Interface I. So I can point to any one of those classes, either A or B. I point to A. What will happen? I dot And one more important point, yesterday I forgot telling you. See, yesterday we have done a program on that car application now.
Yes.
Just to recollect that program, just to recollect. Wait, what is the first program name? Car.
Car.
Second
Yes.
program name is Maruti.
Maruti.
Just let us recollect that. One point I did not explain you. Use car is the other one. I still remember. Yeah.
Yes.
So these are the classes which I have taken implementing car abstract class. Okay, fine. And the third one, fourth one is not at all is separate one that consists of main method. So inside this, I am able to create object for objects can be created for what?
Uh,
For which classes?
Maruti and Santro.
That is okay. That is okay. See, and reference for which one you can create?
Car.
Car. Of course, for Maruti and Santro also we can create a reference, but
Yes.
in reference we need an object badly there to refer.
Mm.
Okay, fine. But here the problem is, yesterday I have given, how many methods I have given in Maruti? Can you recollect those method names?
Two.
What are those methods? Of course,
Steering and
one
brake.
constructor is also there. Leave
Yeah,
constructor,
yeah, yeah.
barring constructor, steering is there.
Two. And
The
braking.
other one is braking is there. Yeah, these two. But if additional method is there, like what I can tell, something like
Clutching.
color or something like that, or cost,
Okay.
features, some special method is
Hmm.
there like features. And this
Okay.
is a special method present only in Maruti. It is not present in interface. Got it?
Okay.
It is not
Hmm.
there in car I mean abstract class.
Okay.
Car is an abstract class now. Yesterday is an abstract
Yes.
class. In that abstract class, I have gone with steering, braking, and also even fill tank. Also, I have gone.
Yes.
These are the things present in that. What is that? Fill tank is one. Fill tank is there. Fine. And then these two are present.
Steering, braking.
Taking or present. Okay, fine. Now my question is why I'm writing all these things, because you can easily understand. So features is yet another method. Is features present in car abstract class?
No.
No, it is not present. But now from here, from use car, can I invoke features with the help of car reference C? Of course, C is directed to M, that is Maruti. Okay, fine. Can I do like C dot? Is it possible? Somebody may ask you like this, a tricky question. If he's an experienced one, he want to test you more, or in real time also, it can be useful for you. So C
Hmm.
dot features, can I do like this? You understood the problem here?
Yes, yes, I understood.
Features, why I'm focusing on features? The new method I brought today. Yesterday I did not use it, that features.
Right.
So that features method is part of which class?
Maruti.
Maruti. It is not present in abstract class. Okay.
Right.
Then you are able to refer that Maruti object with C. C is equal to M.
Mm-hmm.
So when you are referring to Maruti, why can't I invoke features? Can I invoke features? Is that reference
I
having
don't think
right?
it's the vice versa. We can
No,
use
no, no,
cars
no,
in
no.
Maruti.
See.
Okay.
Here, this is okay. I think
Mm-hmm.
if I shape this in invocation steps, you can understand easily. Wait. This is 100% correct. Yesterday we have done this. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. And then C dot breaking. It is also 100% correct,
Yes.
isn't it? Correct.
Yeah.
But what is the problem for last one? Last one is incorrect. I am saying why. You can guess. You can just guess why. This is incorrect.
Because it's not present in abstract class.
Yeah. So if because C is a reference after all,
Yes.
not an object, but it is referring to Maruti. How can it refer to Maruti's own feature? It can't refer,
Yeah.
isn't it? Isn't it? See,
Yes.
the C is a reference for car class, for car abstract class. So how can that C refer to steering braking? Means it is having some meaning in that, because the steering and
Yes.
braking are part and parcel of car abstract class.
Right.
Their origin is from here only. That's why they can ask. See, somebody kept say for example some gold or something like that in neighbor's house, a person by name A's house. Somebody X or Y or Z kept some gold. They are going to some Tirupati or something else, some pilgrim place. They are going, and they kept some valuable documents, gold and all these things in their neighbor's house. Once they return from that place, they are having authority to take their gold, not the owner's gold.
Yes.
Not. That's it. So
Yeah.
these two are part and parcel of their own. That's why they can refer. Nobody will object.
Yes.
But what about these features? It is exclusively a feature meant for Maruti, not for abstract class car.
Abstract. Yes.
That's
So
why.
we can do M dot features.
That is okay. 100%. That is done. That is okay.
Okay.
That's correct. That's correct. So in real time, if you get problems, this is the way you have to think about. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
This is correct. 100%. Okay, that is at another important point which we have to bear.
Sure.
Okay, fine. Now where we are, here also same story. That's why I dot, what can I do? Addition. Yeah, I can do addition. Similarly, I dot
Subtraction.
subtractions. Yeah, I can do this also.
Okay.
Done. Over. Program is over. Otherwise, a dot addition also I can do. Is it not? A dot subtraction also I can do.
Yeah.
But A dot means only that A class features only will come out, not the B class
Mm.
features. But here with the help of I can get B also, just by assigning I is equal to B. Again, if you ask me
Yes.
what is the difference between abstract class and interface, there is chance for you to ask me again. Yesterday also you have done similar one, but again why interface here, their abstract class? I told one important crucial point. Have you remember today especially? What is that point?
Yeah.
Common features. If any common feature is there, go with abstract class.
Right.
If there is
Yes.
no common feature, go with interface.
Interface.
That is the technical difference. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
I can go with addition as usual. No issue. I can go with addition. Yes. Yes. And similarly, I can go with subtraction as well. Subtraction. Done. 4. Program is over. Now let me execute this. Braces. I think braces or something like that. Compilation. Compilation. See, one more important thing I want to tell you. At times you won't get this word. Compilation you are getting here, na?
Mm-hmm.
At sometimes you won't get that word compilation. Means this is a compilation problem. 3 types of errors are there. During exception handling, I will discuss. Whenever you get a notice like this, compilation problem, then obviously it refers to syntactical mistakes. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Syntactical or grammatical mistakes. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Done, na? Over. That
Okay.
is the technique. You need not get frustrated where I went wrong, any other thing. You need not worry about that. Just matter of syntax or something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes you will get correct. You will get compiled. You will get executed, but you won't get correct output. You expected 99
Okay.
and you got 75. What would have happened? It is called as a logical error. Logical
Okay.
means your system can compile your program, can execute your program, but your output is not on par with the one which you expected, because some formula may be going wrong inside, isn't it?
Okay. Yes.
Just like operation success, patient died, just like that.
Hmm.
Means
Okay.
compilation successful, execution successful, but desired output is not there.
Yeah.
Means some logic Some problem is there in the logic of the program, some formula or something like that. But here it is
Okay.
explanation, and we came out of that. Again. This time, no, nothing, right? One
Yes.
with both the outputs. If I make a comment, you can expect only one. If I put a comment,
Hmm.
you can understand only the first one being asked. Yesterday, same program you try with interface today.
Sure.
Right, you
Yeah.
can try that also. Got it?
Hmm.
So first application is over. Now I will go with yet another one. I told one more important point now in notes. I focus on that particular point and try to design one application for that. That is, see this point. This point I am talking about. 0 or more.
Abstract methods.
More
Okay.
means okay, all are abstract methods. But what is that 0? Let us see that 0.
Hmm.
Let me go with the 0. What you call 0 methods.
Okay.
See this program. And of course, what about this program execution? This program its execution starts from here. So first step, you have created
Hmm.
class A. Okay, class A object,
Right.
welcome, because class A itself is a class. No problem, no issue. And class B
Mm-hmm.
also no issue, and no constructors in that, no issue. Interface is an interface, absolutely. You can create a reference. No problem with third statement as well. But you are referring to which object? A. And you are
Yes.
invoking
Yes.
and subtraction. Control transfers from I dot addition to, obviously, with respect to which object? A. I is equal to, you are assigning A na? That's why A is an object for which class? Class A. That's why only class A features are invoked. Only class A
Hmm.
actions are invoked, not for B.
Okay.
That is the execution. Okay, fine. Now also I will design in same application. This is also one famous application which I am designing right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take child class, parent class. I want to go with father, mother, and child. Child class I will create. Child, child. That is enough. Method, that consists of main method. Okay, fine. Child is the class, and before that, some code I will write. That is, I would like to take a couple of interfaces this time. One interface is, I will take mother is the interface name. Okay, fine. So only variables I'm going to put in that.
Okay.
Mother's property 1 is equal to, I'm going with some 20,000 or 2 lakhs. That's enough, not more than that. I'm writing here. Float height of mother, ht1, sorry, ht1 is equal to 5.5 f. For floating we have to write f na, we used f.
Yes.
Yes, over. First program is over. Similar way I am going to design second program also. See, another interface father. This time same code, little changes. Int prop2 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, fine. Why?
There is an extra brace, closing brace there
That's
after
I'm looking for
float.
this color. Can you see this color?
Yes.
That color I want. I am not getting that color. That's what I am looking. Where I missed that?
After EF,
Ah,
we have added an extra by mistake.
exactly. Now you got the color. Color
Yes.
change.
Yes.
Why I am
Yeah.
getting that color? One more important point I forgot telling you. By default, the variables in an interface are static public and final. I forgot telling you one more important point.
Okay.
By default, the variables in an interface are static, public, and final. Got it?
Yes.
Final already you know. Final variables cannot be
Yeah.
initialized. I told now. And what about static?
Yeah.
Static also I told in the past. See, for example, if you take a static variable, I will introduce one program later on. If possible, today itself, I will write one program on the static also. See, if I go with a static variable, static int, say x is equal to 4, and some iteration, some for loop I will take, and inside for loop, I'm going to update x value every time. Okay, x plus plus
Okay.
I'm taking, not final, it is not final, just static only. So whenever I am updating, you can expect I will take x and also y also like this, and y is equal to 4, both 4 only. But if I go with y plus plus, every time you can expect an increment in x, but you cannot expect an increment in y. Okay, let me also
Okay.
initialize. These are all part of for loop. Let us assume these two as part of for loop. X equals 4 and y equals 4, they are initialized in the for loop. And whenever I am incrementing x and y values, the output results like this. For example, 5 increments I am making 5 times. The loop is iterating 5 times. So the output looks something like x will be ending with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But what about y? I will make you understand easily. Wait, I will tell you
Mm.
different way also. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, you can see the difference between the outputs.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Means, see, I can tell you one small example. You can compare with that. For example, our first class happened somewhere on third of previous month. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Third of
Yes.
month, our class started. So just 1 month, 3 days, I think passed. Whatever it is, 3 4 days. Okay, fine. So first day, which topic I taught you? Which topic?
Basic Java introduction.
Like let us say why Java, why not C? Maybe
Yeah.
why Java, why not C? For example, my mind is not static; it is dynamic. It is changing. I forget every moment. Then next day also I came to class, and next day also I am starting. Why Java, why not C? I am telling. Third day also I am telling why Java, why not C? Okay,
Okay.
means my mind is not static. If my mind is
Hmm.
static, I can understand where I left on yesterday. Yesterday I left you at abstract class. That's why I started interface
Right.
today, isn't it? So updation is going like
Yes.
this. That is the difference between static and non-static. Okay.
Okay.
So by default, the variables in an interface are static, public, final. You already I need not talk.
Yes.
Final variables cannot be reinitialized. They can be initialized
Hmm.
only once, isn't it? Final variables cannot
Yes.
be reinitialized. Yeah. So by default, the variables are stat, and the final variable generally we use capital letters. Okay, even you
Okay.
write small letter, no issue. Generally,
Mm-hmm.
final variables are known as fields in Java. Fields, we call them as fields in Java.
Okay.
Generally, we prefer writing capital letters. That's why this IDE is showing that in a different color. You can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. If in a class, if I take, wait, I will show you. Int, any change in color?
No.
No, because those two are father and mother. This is child. No, it is not the reason. Now change
Yeah.
prop. Yeah, it is changed. Wait. ID is achieved.
but not very dark.
Very dark. Some difference is there, slight difference is
Yes.
there. Yeah, because they belong to interface, this belong to
Hmm.
class. Yes,
Okay.
difference is there. Yes, yes. So means we can understand that some difference is there in those variables also. Means they may be having some different distinguished quality. Is it not? What could be
Yes.
their quality? They are nothing but static, final, and public.
Okay.
Public means anybody can use them, of course. Okay, right. Now let me go with another one, that is float ht2 is equal to 6 or 6.1, let us assume. Okay, fine. Now father interface is over, mother interface is over, and both you can only compile, but you cannot,
Compile.
because they
No.
are not having main methods. And of course I am
Main
writing
method. Yes.
in program itself, I am writing, don't worry. And now what about child? Child is going to implement those two interfaces. Implements father comma mother.
Mother.
First mother I have written, anything you can write, no problem. Mother comma
Okay.
father. See here, can you write similar code with extents? Now one more entry
No.
required. Immediately you answered correctly. Why?
Yeah, because yesterday you told me this.
uh, Not that concept is different. What is it? Inner class is different. Leave it. But normally speaking, if I have spoken about inheritance concept earlier.
Yes.
During inheritance, I told how many types of inheritances are there?
Two.
Two types. What are they?
Regular and multi-level.
No,
Simple.
not inner classes. Simple inheritance and
Yeah.
multi-level. Simple and
Multi-level.
multi-level
Yes.
is there. So simple, how it looks? Simple, how it looks?
Simple.
Let me repeat.
Simple is just
Wait.
yeah.
Class A extends is the keyword now.
Yes.
Simple or not? Is this simple?
Yes. This is simple.
This is simple, right? Simple inheritance. Okay. Now, can you tell multi-level how it looks?
Class C extends
Class A will be
B.
there. Class
Yes.
B will be there, and B is going to extend.
C.
Class B
But
extends
A.
A. Okay, and then class C extends. Sorry,
A.
not C.
Or B.
Not her, only one.
Yeah, it's only, otherwise it will be again simple.
Yeah, yeah, wait. Extends. Here also extends B. No A. No
Yes.
question of A.
Yeah.
But what I am saying, can I do like this? Can I ever did I ever done like this? See, for example, like
No.
extends.
A comma B.
That is not allowed. It is a failure concept
Yeah.
of C plus plus. I
Mm.
told na, multiple inheritance is
Yes.
failure. But
Right.
you can, at the same time, I used one more statement effectively. That is, multiple inheritance is not there in Java, but it can be achieved through interfaces concept in Java.
Yes.
Got it? So now we are in interface.
Yeah.
Now see, similar code you are having, in place of extends, I can go with implements. That is right. This okay.
Okay.
Implements. This is okay. No issue. But extends will not work because multiple inheritance is not there. See, one class is
Yeah.
implementing couple of interfaces, but one class cannot extend couple of classes. Got it?
Okay.
One
Yes.
class cannot extend couple of classes, but one class can implement couple of interfaces. See the change in terminology which I am using time to time,
Mm.
isn't it?
Yes.
Multiple interfaces a class can implement, but multiple classes a class cannot extend.
Mm. Okay.
Yes, that is important point. So interface, through interfaces, multiple inheritance concept is also achieved in Java, is it not?
Mm. Yes.
which is not there in Java with respect to classes, but with respect to interfaces, we are able to achieve that. Right, now I'll go with couple of methods in that. One is void property, the property which child is going to get. Property child's property, child's property is equal to how to write? You will get both parents property, na? So property
Yeah.
plus, yeah, property
Okay.
1 plus
Property 2.
yeah, that's it. Only one child, he will get both, that's it. Next one, void what is the other one? Height. With respect to height also we will design one method.
Yeah.
HEIG. One important point is lacking in this program that you have to highlight and tell whether it is correct or wrong. I'll tell you. Let me complete this first of all.
Mm-hmm.
Again, a small litigation is there in this. Child's height. Normally average height will come now.
Yes.
CH, is it correct? CHILDS. CHILDS, sorry. CHILDS. Child's height. Child's height. So average means HT1 plus HT2 divided by
By 2.
2. I can write by 2, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. But typecast operator I am not using. Why? Without using typecast operator, I can get output for this program. That is one twist, and another twist is also there. Wait, I will talk separately. Otherwise, you will forget. For child class, can I create object? Child class.
For child class, yes.
Because child, yeah, child is the class. I can create object. Child ch is equal to new child. Okay. And then can I invoke those methods? Yes, I can invoke. What are the methods? Property and
Property and height.
height. Yes. Property, ch dot property, and the ch dot gth height. Yes, it will work. But this is one problem. How I am going to get, how I am overcoming from that? It is not showing any mistake, and you are going to get correct output also.
Mm-hmm.
See. Not even the value present after decimal you are missing. You are getting everything correctly. Why? How?
Yes.
Especially height. Without using typecast operator, you are able to get height. How? How it is possible? See here, ht1 plus ht2 by 2.
Mm.
We use it external typecast, typecast operator we used or not, especially in arrays concept, I think we have done a program.
Yeah.
Did you remember that? Float in bracket, I use float or double, whatever it is. Arrays
Yes.
are present here itself. Let me check. Otherwise, maybe or some other system. I don't know. May not be in here. It is some other system. It is not there with me. No. Okay, fine. I still remember we have done some programs in arrays earlier. One dimension array especially. In 1D array, I have used typecast operator float, like this. The statement is something like this. AVZ is equal to typecast operator within bracket I used like this.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking. Sum by total or dot by n. N means number of subjects.
Yes, yes.
So there I used a typecast operator. If I don't use typecast operator, what is going to happen? I explained, clearly explained on that day.
Yes.
You can consider 1.0 multiplied with, you remember that story?
Yes, yes.
That number, whatever it is, by divided by, means decimal by integer.
Right.
Decimal by integer will lead to decimal. That's why float is required. Otherwise, integer by integer means decimal portion will be truncated.
Yes.
And the moreover, left hand side it is a decimal value. Average is a decimal type, float type. That's why
Mm.
implicit conversion will take place. And for example, my desired output is somewhere around, say for example, let us not consider this number. Let us say 77.56 I have to get, but
Mm.
77.0 I am going to get. Got it? Not this.
Yeah.
Let us assume that 77.6 is the output. I'm not taking this output into consideration. 77.6 is the correct one. This is some number. Let us believe that has some number. Okay.
Okay.
Let us not go into mathematics. 77.6 is the exact output. If you do with some number here, if you find some
Okay.
dot, okay, fine. So, but my machine is going to give 77.0. If I am not writing float here, why?
Right.
Why it is giving 77.0 and why not 77? Why not 77? Because left hand side what is there? AVZ. AVZ is there.
Yes.
AVZ's type
Yeah.
is float, which I have taken earlier like this.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise here itself I can take like this, float. Float na left hand side.
Yes.
Means right hand side, even you are getting 77. First initially you'll get 77, but 77 will be automatically implicitly converted. Implicit typecasting will take place. Implicitly
Okay.
it will get converted into what? 77.0,
Okay.
not 6. That is a problem.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it is not the desired output. I have to get 77.6. So for that matter,
Right.
what I have to do, if I can add,
Use typecast. Yeah.
that's it, that's it. So that I can get desired output, that is 77.6 straight away, because decimal by integer will result in
Right.
decimal. Total decimal value will come with the integer portion as well. Okay.
Okay.
That is
Yes.
that is the difference. But nevertheless, why I'm not using this sort of typecast operator here? Can you predict? Because see here,
Mm-hmm.
already both heights are in decimal, isn't it?
Yes.
Decimal by
Yes.
integer will give decimal only. Again, typecast operator is not required. Simple.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? Very
Yeah.
simple. Very simple. That's it.
Yes.
That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Got it? Right. HEI.
Yeah.
Spelling correct? HEIGTH. Right. Right. So one more question is also there. You are getting output for this. Okay, fine. 5.8 average height, child's height. Okay, he's getting total property of father and mother. Okay, fine. But another question. I thought of asking one more question. Na? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will show previous program also. Then you can understand which is the previous program. Interface one, I think. Ah, see here. This is interface, na? First interface.
Yes.
This is a class and another class. Two classes are implementing the same interface. What is the
Right.
method here?
Public.
I have given one point also. Na? It should be by default.
Yes.
I mentioned one important
Public.
point. Where it is? Somewhere I mentioned that point. Here it is. I forgot and came back and written in notes also here. Na? We should mention
Mm.
as
Public.
yes. But, but, but see here. That public I have given and successfully we have gone through that phase. Isn't it?
Yes.
But now,
Yes.
see, but now, where is that public? Where is that public? Hmm? No public, it is
Mm.
coming. It is coming. But if I remove public, see what is going to happen. Wait. I will show you that. See.
Yeah.
Understood? So public should be
Yes, yes.
now
It
why
should be there.
now why it is considering previously why it is not, why it did not consider as any difference, any magic? Where it is the next one, this one. But here it lacks in public in both the cases, but still it is allowing.
Right.
What could be the reason? You should say if you have a close look at
Child. um,
how we started this program. Tell me, what is our intention in doing this program? Tell me. Our intention is playing with variables or not.
yes.
Variables can be present. Just now I have written this point. By default, the variables in an interface are static, public,
Static, public, final.
and final. And means an interface can consist of only variables also. I told now.
Yes.
Interface means zero. Here itself meaning is there. Zero means what?
Right.
Interface consists of, an interface consists of only variables also, only variables also, but they should be qualified as, they should be by default, we need not qualify them,
Mm-hmm.
but they should be by default what, public, static, and
Static and final.
final also, and final also. That is the meaning of that. So here, when I
Okay.
go with exclusive variables inside an interface, this is the live example for that. What is present in father interface or mother interface? Tell me. Only variables are present. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Any methods?
Yes.
Any methods present?
No.
And here also in father interface, any method present?
No.
But here see, how many methods are there?
Two. Okay.
That's why, that's why.
Public is.
Now here,
Okay.
where is that property? Is that mother part and parcel of either mother or father? No, they belong to neither
No.
mother nor father. It belongs to child.
Okay.
Property and height are exclusive properties, exclusive what you call um, methods, exclusive methods, part and parcel of child.
Hmm.
Where is the origin of that?
Okay.
See the origin. Origin is child. That's why public is not required. But in the previous context,
Okay.
where is the, what is the origin? Look at the origin. Where they are coming.
Yeah.
These two are children, class A and class B. But where is the origin of that addition and subtraction? It is from interface.
Parent.
Interface.
Interface. Yeah.
Of course, parent. Parent means interface. Origin is parent. That is interface.
Yes.
You have to, whenever you are defining, it is mandatory to write public. If you don't write, it
Public. Okay.
will point out. Pointing or not?
Okay.
That's it.
Yes.
It is clearly pointing, indicating.
Okay. Okay.
This warning is. But here no warning because they are part and parcel of child. Neither property nor height belongs to mother or,
Mother or father.
that's why public is not required. Even if you write public also, nothing will happen. Unnecessarily, it is unnecessary.
Yeah.
It means wasting resources. Is it not?
Yes.
We need only little, but you are going with more. That's it. Private means less. Public means more. I told now. More
Yes.
space is required. Generally, we are wasting resources. Public means. Now it is working. Checked already. That is the other question which I want to pose on you. Okay, fine. So two applications we have done, and one more area I told na, third application. Interfaces can be. I told one more important point. An interface
Can,
can
can extend
extend
other
but
interfaces.
cannot implement. On that we will do
Right.
the program. With that I will
Sure.
discuss one more application we will do, interfaces. So I will take A1 and then I will take B1 and I will take C1 also.
Okay.
Better I write same or different. A, B, C I will take C. I will take C. A class, A interface, I mean to say interface A, this is, and it consists of only one method, that is void show. Void show is present in that, or otherwise let me call it as show one, because another interface is going to extend this one. We have seen classes extending, is it not, till now?
Yes.
But interfaces can be also extended. That's what we are going to observe now. This is first interface done. Separately also you can do, but I am doing in the same program. Interface B, this is, and interface B. This also consists of void show, but it is two. It is two. Okay, fine. Two interfaces I have taken. Show two. Okay, fine. Now it is C. This is C now. Okay. C is going to implement. Wait. I'll use the keyword extends. Yay. Now C. Now tell me, A and B are interfaces. Huh? Sure?
Yes.
B are interfaces. And what I told, one interface can extend another interface. An interface can
Right.
extend another interface. An interface can extend another interface. Okay? Fine.
Okay.
Same rule I applied here. One interface can extend another interface. Done. Now, what should I write here? Tell me. What should I write here?
B extends B.
C is a class. A and B are
Okay.
interfaces. How can you write extends?
Implements A and B. A comma B.
Wait. Yeah, up to here, okay, fine. Implements what? A or B?
A.
Why A? A is already extended by B.
Okay. Yeah. So B.
Relation is there between A and B.
Yeah.
So why again A? Grandparent Y? Direct parent is there.
Hmm.
That's it. Got it?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Implements B. Fine. Now inside C, some method I will write. I'll go with the method show one. Show one is already done now. Only declaration done now.
Yes.
But public is required or not this time? This time required,
Yes.
because their origin is parent interfaces, isn't it? So
Right.
void, public void, first one, show one. Show one, I am writing code for show one. System.out.println. Show one belongs to interface. Which one?
A.
Show one belongs to interface. Interface which one? A. That's it.
A.
Exactly. Similarly, let us write for show 2 also. Show 2, the other one. Just it will change here. Show 2 belongs to interface B. Done. Now let us come.
Okay. Yeah.
How do we invoke from main method? Let us come back to this, is important again. So inside method object, can I create object for C? 100%. Why not?
Yeah.
Because C is a
Correct.
class now.
Yes.
We can create object for C class, and then A1. Sorry, A space A. Any problem? Similarly, B space P. Any problem? Tell me. Any problem in doing like that? A space P. It is showing mistakes here. Here L type, LR1 type. Okay, fine. Gone. Any problem here? A space A, B space A. Both are references. A and B are interfaces. No.
Yes.
For interfaces, we can do only one thing, that is creation of
Right. Yes.
reference.
References.
Reference is created for A and B, and C is not an interface, it is a class. So I have gone with option.
Right.
Done correctly now up to here.
Yes.
Then see, A is equal to obj. A is equal to obj. Can I do like that? A is equal to obj.
Yes.
Now A dot show 1. A dot
1.
show 1. Can I do like this? 100%.
Yes.
Can I do like this? A dot, now you tell. Now you,
Show 2.
can I do like this? Can I do?
No.
Because show 2 is part of
B.
B class. But A is a reference
Yes.
of interface A.
Ye- Yes.
It cannot get child's one na, child's property na.
Right. Yes.
Child's features it cannot get. So this, see, it is immediately showing mistake. See here. The
Yeah.
show 2 is undefined for the type A. So this will not work. This will not work. Then how to make it work?
We should use B. We should first do B is equal to OBG.
This will not work. This will not work. That's it. This code will not work. So what to do? Now let us change our reference towards. Now B is equal to obj. Okay, comment.
Yeah.
Comment. Yeah. B is equal to obj. Now B dot show 1.
B dot show 2.
Any problem with show 1?
Yes.
No. Why? Any problem with
Okay.
show 1? B dot show 1.
Oh,
B.
it is extended.
It is extending A. So if you can create
Yeah.
reference to this, and if that
We
reference is
can
pointing to an object, you can invoke either show 1 or
show 2. Okay.
got that? Now see.
Yes. Yes.
B dot show to any problem? No problem.
No.
That's it. For A it is not possible. For B it became possible. This dot show to. Why? For A it is not possible with A reference, but with B reference it is possible. Why? Because B is a child.
B is extending.
B is a
Yeah.
child interface for A. Is it not?
Yes.
It means child only. B is a child interface
Yeah.
for A. That's why B can get invoke this or even that of its own. Got
Right.
it? And what about
Yes.
child object C? C can invoke anything. Is it not? Either
Yes.
show 1 or show 2. One coming from grandparent, one coming from parent. That's it. Got it?
Yeah. Yes.
I will show you that also. I will show you. Obj dot show 1 allowed. Yes. And obj dot show 2 is also allowed.
Yeah.
Over. So repeatedly you'll get output here for this. Got it?
Yes.
That's it. Understood this program? This is a little bit
Yes.
clumsy, it looks like. You should have
Yeah.
a careful look at each and every step. First go through the notes which I send you.
Sure.
I think you would have taken photos, I think.
Yes, I am taking it.
So that it will be easy. You need not have long wait. I don't
Yeah.
want to send, that's why. So in the meantime, you can refer to that notes. I will put in a good
Sure.
format, not like this. Clumsy writings are there here, but I will put this in a proper order and send you later on.
Sure.
Readable format I can send you. So interfaces, this is all about, and we have done 3 programs because it is demanding. Now situation is demanding, not like abstract class. Here situation is demanding.
Yeah.
One for C, I have to go with one program, otherwise you can't understand this issue. 0 means
Right.
what? Again, the link for that 0 is here. An interface consists of only variables also, but they should be by default
Yes.
public, static, and final.
Public static.
By default, the variables and interface are okay. Static, final, and public. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
You need not give again. Don't give final. If I give final, what is going to happen in that program? Let us see that also. This program, na? If I give public, what is going to happen? Let me see. If I put final, I checked way back, but I forgot. It's not doing any harm for us, it seems. Let me execute this. Save it. Execute. Oh, it's working great. But not required. Unnecessary, na? By default, it is final
Yes.
only. Now, see what I am doing. I am not using final. One more technique. See. Prop 1. I want to increase. Prop 1 is 2 lakhs. If mother is
Yes.
2 lakhs, how can it become 3 lakhs immediately? It won't become, na? But I am going to try that. See. In property, what I am going to do is, prop 1 rupee I am going to increase out of that. Even 1 rupee increment is not allowed, it is saying. No interest,
Yeah.
no interest also.
Yeah. And it
Principal
is
amount.
saying final field, mother.
Only principal amount. Yeah, it is showing the final field. Got it?
Yes.
Means
Yes.
even if
Yes.
you don't write final also, by default it is going to be final only.
Final.
So this
Yeah.
is not allowed. Even 1 rupee we cannot increase. This
Okay.
this is not allowed. This is not. Just by spending time, you are getting more points. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I thought of ending the class there itself, but I just wanted to recollect that. In that
Yeah.
sense, I got that point. I just want to explore that area also. I never tried this actually. Okay, fine. See, I know that point, but I never tried that.
Mm.
Books are writing, just they are by default final, but we know what is final. I told you earlier what is the final
Yes.
variable. Final variables cannot be reinitialized, but I'm attempting,
Right.
but still it is final is not given, but still it is final
Mm.
only. That's what I'm telling. In the notes also I'm going to give that point. Okay,
Okay.
this is not allowed since since what?
It is by default final.
Variables, since variables by default in interface, not in other cases. Interface, mother is an interface, na? Father is also interface. By default an interface or static static public and final. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. That is right. Now it is okay. It is allowed. Yes. That is not allowed. Even height cannot be increased. Is it not?
Mm. Yes.
Height cannot be increased as well. Oh, double context. Yes. So that is not allowed. Had some clarity with interface, abstract class. You have to
Yes.
practice
Yes.
a lot. These two are very important areas. You can do
Yeah.
many things in these two areas. You can be creative. Any application, you take your, your commerce graduated, na?
Yes.
In Christ, commerce is also there, I think. I heard.
Yes. Yes.
Commerce, my SGA previous university, they used to go there and recruit
Mm.
faculty positions. They used to recruit even commerce also, commerce, engineering, whatnot, everything.
Yes.
Arts also.
Yeah.
Everybody they
They
have.
have everything.
Uh, they had lots of appreciations.
Mm.
Very old one, British time university, is it?
Not British time. I think when missionaries started, it
Uh-huh.
started. Christian missionaries.
Uh-huh. And what about the faculty there?